So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install Spectrum TV app on TCL Google TV, download, login and troubleshoot. So how to install Spectrum TV app on TCL Google TV? First one is on TCL Google TV, search the Play Store for the Spectrum TV app and install it directly if available in your region. Then if the app isn't listed, access Spectrum TV via our TV browser at watch.spectrum.net or cast from your phone using the Spectrum TV app. Third one is for full support, connect an external device like Roku, Fire TV Stick, Apple TV or Chromecast and install the Spectrum TV app there. So the methods are direct installation. Most TCL Google TV's models support direct installation from the Google Play Store. Install the official app directly on your TV for smooth streaming without extra devices. Turn on your TCL Google TV, go to apps and open Google Play Store. Then search for Spectrum TV and select the app. Then click install and open the app after installation. After the successful installation, open the Spectrum TV app, then select sign in, then enter your Spectrum username and password, then press sign in. Ensure your TCL Google TV runs the latest Google TV OS and is connected to Wi-Fi. Have your Spectrum username and password or activation code ready for spectrum.net. Method second, via web browser. Some regions or models may not show the app. If Spectrum TV app is not available on Play Store, cast from your phone. Stream content on your TV even if the app isn't directly supported. So install Spectrum TV on your Android phone. Then make sure TV and phone are on same Wi-Fi. Then open the screen mirroring app, tap on cast icon, select your TCL Google TV from available list. The third method is using web browser. Turn on your TCL Google TV, then install web browser. Open apps, go to Google Play Store, then search for TV Bro. Select the browser, then click install. Step second, open Spectrum website. Launch the installed browser in the address bar, then type watch.spectrum.net, then enter go. Select in your account, click sign in, then enter your Spectrum username and password. Select sign in. After login, you can watch live TV, access on demand content and view your DVR if included in your plan. So the fourth method is connect external devices. If the app isn't available directly on your TCL Google TV, use a supported streaming device to access the Spectrum TV app like Roku, Amazon Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast with Google TV. So step 1 is connect the streaming device. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port, then connect the power adapter, then switch your TV input to the correct HDMI source. Step second, complete device setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, then sign in or create the required account in Google, Apple, Amazon and Roku, then finish on-screen setup instructions. So the step third is install Spectrum TV app. Open the device app store or channel store, then search for Spectrum TV. Then select the app, then click install. Step 4 is sign in and start watching. Open the Spectrum TV app, enter your Spectrum username and password. Start streaming live TV or on demand content. Thank you.